We have 18 minus 4 and inside the parenthesis is 6 plus 4 divided by 2 and plus 5 squared minus 3 2 divided by 2. This is a very interesting question. Okay, solve inside parenthesis division first. So first bracket, right, then second bracket. So 18 minus 4 and 6 plus 4 and divided by 2. So division first, right? So 6 plus 4 divided by 2 equals 2 plus 5 squared minus 3 and 2 divided by 2 equals 1. Now this one. So 18 minus 4 and 6 plus 2 equals 8, right? Plus 5 squared plus, sorry, minus 5 squared minus 3 and 1. Now the expression becomes 18 minus 4 and 8 plus 5 squared minus 3 and 1. Now step 2, solve powers. So 5 squared, 18 minus 4 and 8, right, plus 5 squared means 5 times 5 equals 25 minus 3 and 1, right. Now it becomes 18 minus 4, 8 plus 25 minus 3 and 1. So here is multiply, right, and here is multiply. So multiply first, right. So 18 minus 4 times 8 equals 32 plus 25 minus 3 times 1 equals 3. Now we have 18 minus 32 plus 25 minus 3. So addition and subtraction from left to right. So 18 minus 32 equals minus 14, right, plus 25 minus 3. Now minus 14 plus 25. Okay, so minus plus minus, right. So minus 14 plus 25 equals 11 and minus 3. This 3 minus 3. Now 11 minus 3 equals 8.